Hi, forensics. We're going to be talking about autopsies today. A great thing to be talking about on Easter. So let's see here. Autopsy, it means see for yourself. It's basically a surgical operation on a dead body. It really is. You don't have to worry about your patient, living through the whole thing. And the purpose is to learn the truth about how the person died and about their health during their life, which could lead to possibly their death. And the person doing it is a pathologist who's a physician whose specialty is a scientific study of body parts. Autopsies can be ordered in every state when there's suspicion of foul play, and can be ordered when there's a concern for public health. Say they think there may be a disease that possibly could be coming in the area. And a family can ask for an autopsy from the hospital. The service is free. So if a family member is wondering what caused somebody's death, or if they really want, or if they're wondering if maybe there was foul play and the police don't think there was, but they want to, check it out, they can ask for it. So the procedure is done with a lot of respect and a lot of seriousness. They first examine the outside of the body. Then they use a scalpel to open the body using a Y-shaped incision from the shoulders to the mid-chest and down to the pubic region. To examine the head, a second incision is made across the head and down below and behind the ears. The scalp and the soft tissue in the front chest are reflected back to examine for any abnormalities there may be there. And a saw is used to open the skull and the ribs and the breastbone. In the abdomen, they free up the large intestines. The brain is cut free from any attachments, and an inspection of the chest organs is done. Fluids, the blood, the urine, bile, eye fluid can be sent for chemical study to a microbiology lab. All the organs are then individually weighed and they are inspected. And a section from each organ is saved and placed in a preservation solution. All major solid organs are weighed on a scale, and all organs after examination are returned or cremated depending upon what law there is in that particular area or the family's wishes. The body is then sewn back up using a baseball stitch, and the body is washed and ready to go. All tissue samples will go to the histology lab, and final conclusions at that point can be drawn. And about 1 month later, you get a final report. All right, pretty easy peasy.